Do you think Travis would mistake me for Kylie? It smells like an uncooked chicken breast. Kylie says that she eats In-N-Out. It's the fact that I'm disgusted trying to eat Nobu. She drinks bone broth. I don't want to try this French toast, but I'm gonna be honest. Kylie starts her day out with a hot cup of coffee.
I am a coffee and a tea drinker.
I'm usually an ice girl, but let's do it. I can't remember the last time I drank a hot cup of coffee. So I saw Miss Kylie Jenner wear her black set active set on her stories, and I was like, Miss, I have that too. So I put it on. But you know what else she wears? She wears a little waist trainer where she works out. That's how she got that hourglass body, yada 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 yada. Or maybe it's just Dr. Miami, but we never know. Anyways, I'm here with Matty Muscle. He's my trainer.
What's up, guys?
So I looked at Kylie Jenner's reels and her workouts, and I'm sorry, but they basic. She basically just does a bunch of abs and cardio. So now that we got that body yada yada, it's time to do her fucking Stairmaster 12-3-30 on the treadmill. I actually love Kylie Jenner though, and I'm just talking shit for no reason. I hate cardio. It's the last thing I want to do. I'm already breaking a sweat. I wonder if Miss Kylie Jenner actually works out, or she just does it for the reels, you know? You ever wonder that? You ever wonder if she actually went on that jog in her reel? Or do you just think that she went on a little walk and was like, hey, can you record me running for like 5 seconds? She said second workout of the day. I don't know if I believe that one.
2 seconds later.
I've been doing this for literally 3 minutes and I'm fucking dead. I'm dead. These waist trainers are no joke. That's how Miss Kylie gets her body yada yada. These, I'm telling you, you wear them, you do nothing, and you're out of breath because it's just forcing you to just clench your core the whole time. Do I look like Miss Kylie yet? Tell me I look like Kylie in the comments, guys. But dead ass, I hate the Stairmaster. I don't know how bitches do cardio. I refuse. Do I look like Kylie? I look like the Dollarama version of Kylie. Stormy.
Stormy. Hi, baby. Oh.
Stormy. I love Miss Kylie's voice. Her voice is so soothing. It's like, do some ASMR, bitch. You got a voice for that. Stormy.
Hold on, pause. I notice a lot of you watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. Look at that percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free. And if you subscribe from this video and comment that down below, I will read your comment and like it. Because guess what? A girlie reads every single one of her comments and she's not lying. Go look at the comments. Did she like all of her comments? Yep, she's not lying. Go subscribe and comment down below if you subscribe.
So now we're gonna do clam things. Basically, it just builds the side booty. You know, you just body yada 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 yada. Do you think Travis would mistake me for Kylie?
No.
Do you think if Stormy saw me right now, she would go, Mommy? Do you think Stormy says Mommy or she goes, Kylie?
Have you not seen the video of her calling her Kylie?
No.
That's not my name. My name's Mommy. No.
Kylie birthed the most beautiful baby ever. Whew, my booty on fire. I love Miss Kylie Jenner. She's a boss bitch. She's only 21 years old. Boss bitch. Everyone should strive to be Miss Kylie Jenner. Just kidding. I don't know what your values are, but I want to strive to be Miss Kylie Jenner. That's why I'm doing this. I'm manifesting her lifestyle right now. Okay, what the f is this workout?
Right knee, left knee. Right foot forward.
Hey,
Right foot forward.
this is my right foot.
Yeah, right foot forward.
You make me seem illiterate.
Look here, look here.
She doesn't know. She still doesn't know.
Down like her.
Straighten your legs. Why do you look like Kylie Jenner crying? Say, Miss Kylie, I will never disrespect you again.
I will never disrespect you again. Yo, I'm not choking. This hurts. I can't.
Okay, hands behind your head.
Yep.
Alright, you're both knees to both elbows. I think she touches them though. Go touch him, touch him. There you go.
Whoa, y'all. I'm not even trying to be funny. Like, I'm being so serious. Like, I can't. Like, I actually physically cannot. Like, this shit hurts.
Next you got, looks like a plank.
Okay, this one's easy. Okay, I'm done. What's next?
Your next one's a side plank.
Stormy. Stormy. I'm Kylie and Alyssa's Stassi.
Oh, honey, I do not got the body to be Stassi.
You notice how all of Kylie Jenner's friends and family look the same, even the makeup artist.
I saw that. Isn't that nuts? They all go to the same
I saw a
surgeon.
TikTok and it was like, is it Kylie or is it her makeup artist? And they cut off the heads.
The way Kylie Jenner and her makeup artist have the exact same body.
She's got that like referral code for her surgeon.
You wanna give me one? All right, French toast. Fun fact, I've never had French toast. It's like, there's just foods that I'm just like, oh yeah, it's gonna be good, but why the fuck would I wanna eat that? Like, I just don't want to. I don't know why, but if I don't wanna try something, I don't wanna try something. So I just never tried French toast. Here I have the breakfast. It looks really good. Honestly, I don't want to try this French toast if I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna hate it, and I know I'm gonna hate it if I'm gonna be honest. I don't really like sweet things. The only sweet breakfast I like is like crepes. I mean, I'm gonna eat it, but I just don't think I'm gonna enjoy it. I added bacon and eggs because I saw her story and she likes to pair this with bacon, eggs, and potatoes usually. And then here's the smoothie. I really don't want to eat this. I don't know what the fuck it is. Why don't I want to eat this? You know, I think it tastes good, but it's just not my cup of tea. It's just like, if I'm gonna eat breakfast, I want it to be eggs, bacon, potatoes. You know what I mean? Not bread. That's why I didn't like traveling to Europe actually, is because all they served was like pastries and like ham and cheese in the morning. And I was, not ham, but like, you know, meats and stuff. And I didn't f with that. This smoothie, good though. It tastes like celery, probably because I put a lot of celery in it, but that's good. I could drink that. Maybe I'll just give this one more try. One more try. Why would I want to eat bread for breakfast? This is my first time trying Kellogg's Frosted Flakes too, by the way, because I would never pick up Frosted Flakes. You know what I ate as a kid? Raisin Bran. Raisin Bran is what I picked out. I grew up as a really healthy kid, not intentionally. I don't know why I liked it. Like my dessert would be fruit. My go-to cereals was Raisin Bran and Cheerios. Cheerios. Hey guys, so I came out with this new Kylie lip kit. The shade is called Egg Yolk. So for snacks, she drinks bone broth.
The first thing I eat or drink when I wake up is probably my bone broth. It's a mix with like lavender and lemon.
Apparently it has a lot of health benefits for you, but I just don't think that this is gonna taste good, and I really don't want to drink this. But this whole thing has 9 grams of protein in it in one drink. No salt, 45 calories, no fat. I think this is crazy good for you. This is a good protein drink. Like drinking 2 of these, oh, I don't know, it's probably gonna taste disgusting. I'm gonna put this in a mason jar because she said she drinks it in a mason jar, and I just want to be Kylie. Also, why am I sounding this? Why am I sounding like this either? I got sick of the workout set, so I put on this outfit because I was just going through Instagram trying to find a casual outfit, and this is like one of the only ones I could find. So I warmed it up in the microwave for a little bit. She said she puts lavender and lemon in it, but I don't have either of those things, so we're just gonna suffer. I don't know what to expect. I feel like I'm gonna spit this out and wanna scream because it's gonna taste like piss. Why am I so scared? Cheers. Cheers to you, Kylie. Whoa, that tastes like nothing. It's the smell. If I plug my nose and drink it, all of a sudden it's water. But it's the smell. It's like you put it up to your nose and it smells like a chicken breast. It smells like an uncooked chicken breast. That's what it smells like. But it doesn't taste bad. Maybe a straw would help. This is really good for you. Yeah, this just feels like I'm tasting like warm water. Whoa, that's not what I was expecting. Okay, well, she has some little snacks before lunch, right? So she has the Fritos chili cheese flavored corn chips and the barbecue Lay's chips. I've never tried these. I don't know if we have Fritos in Canada. Maybe we do, but I just know that they're not popular. Let's try the Fritos chili cheese flavored corn chips. Oh, these smell so good. Cheers. Wow, these are really good. And then we have the barbecue Lay's chips. I mean, I already know what this tastes like, but at the same time, not really, because I haven't ate chips, like barbecue chips, in so long. Cheers. Chips like this remind me of your childhood, but I feel like as you get older, you start evolving to thick chips. Am I wrong? Because if I usually get the chips, it's these kettle cooked ones. I don't know why I love the thick texture, or the Miss Vicky ones, the thick texture. So like eating these are so weird to me. I can't believe Miss Kylie drinks 2 of these a day. I feel like this could taste good with ice. I'm sorry, but like I feel like this would taste good cold. Maybe we put this in the fridge and we try this cold later. So Kylie says there's 3 options for lunch. There's Health Nut, which is a 40-minute drive away from me.
I really love Health Nut.
There is Mexican food, which is like 10 minutes.
Some enchiladas. I was feeling Mexican food vibes today.
And there's lemon chicken, which means I have to make that, but I don't have lemon.
I do love like lemon chicken with vegetables.
And I already made chicken and vegetables in my Kendall video. So we're gonna drive 40 minutes to Health Nut. Why? Because I want this video to be perfect. She says Health Nut is her favorite, so I really wanna try like her favorites. You know what I mean? Yeah? All right, let's drive 40 minutes so we can just take a couple bites of what Kylie Jenner likes to eat. Can I get the tuna avocado sandwich, please? Sure. All right, I got the tuna sandwich that she was talking about in the video.
They have like a really bomb tuna sandwich.
I've never had a tuna sandwich, so I love tuna though. I eat tuna all the time, so I'm excited to see if this is good or not. This looks so bomb. That's really good. Wow. I've never had a tuna sandwich. It's tuna, avocado, tomato, sprouts, and lettuce. This is really good. This is like my favorite sandwich I've ever eaten in my life. It's not even like special. My 2 favorite sandwiches is this one or the one from Panera, the turkey bacon one. This is really good. Wow. She also drinks peach tea. She talks about how much she loves peach tea, so I went and bought some. I swear I've seen her like drink this brand for some reason. I saw it and I was like, I feel like Kylie drinks this brand.
Drink our peach tea actually. Peach tea, everybody.
But I've been drinking it on the way here. It's really good. It's really sweet though. Like, how much sugar is in this? Only 1 gram of sugar? What is so sweet about this? Wow. This isn't even bad for you, but it tastes like really good juice. I'm gonna start drinking this more because this is really sugary, but it only has 1 gram of sugar. Okay, I'm currently editing a video, but I got Nobu. Listen, So I've been to Nobu like 3 times now, and before I moved to LA, I was like, oh my god, Nobu is like so bougie, and like, oh my gosh, I want to go to Nobu, because when I was like 14, I watched Tana Mojo do a vlog in Nobu, and I was like, I want that to be me one day. So when I moved here, I went to Nobu, and honestly, I don't think it's that good. Alyssa thinks different though. She's like, oh my god, I love Nobu. Like, Nobu's honestly my favorite restaurant, but I just think that's the LA in her.
Hey, I don't even like the bougie restaurants, like been to Boa, bleh, it's
Boa
whatever.
sucks. I'm sorry, but Boa's, actually no, I'm not gonna say anything, because what if I want to have my birthday there one day? Just kidding.
Ketch, man,
no,
it's okay. Ketch was yummy, but it's like I don't really care. Nobu in Malibu, that was first of all a vibe.
You're like by
Second
the
of all,
ocean, which is cool, but like I don't know. I just think that it's okay. I mean, maybe I'm just not a sushi person. I sound like Alyssa in her TikTok. I was talking to myself.
I just say to myself.
So we got the 2 things that Kylie Jenner gets. She gets this crispy rice thing, and then she also gets the yellowfin tuna. That's what she gets.
Lots of jalapeno. I love spicy tuna on rice cake.
So we're gonna try this. I've never actually tried this. I've been to Nobu a couple times and people have ordered this, but I've never ate it because there's a jalapeno on top, and this is personally not for me. So let's try this. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take a jalapeno off of it because f that. Fun fact, I didn't try raw fish until Nobu. That was my first time trying it. I don't know, I just feel like it's not for me. All right, we're gonna dip this in. I just don't get it. Like, what's so good about that? It tasted like nothing. It was kind of just like, I mean, the texture was good and all, but it just tastes like nothing. I don't know. So then we have this crispy shrimp thing that she eats. A spicy tuna, crispy shrimp. Oh my god. I can't eat spicy things, so I don't know why I bought this. We're just gonna eat it though. So basically, it's whatever this is, crispy rice. And do I just like scoop the I'm actually gonna kill myself eating this. I know I will. Okay, it can't be that spicy, right? Why am I so scared? Okay. Do I do this and then dip it in the soy sauce? It's the fact that I'm disgusted trying to eat Nobu. Like, that's not good. Okay. What was that? It wasn't good. I mean, it's like not bad, but I wouldn't get that again. It was like, all right. You know what's that's really good there though? They have the Wagyu on the, what is it? On the rock or whatever?
Yeah, like Wagyu.
That one's really good because you like can like get teriyaki and stuff like on that. And then they also have like this spinach kind of fish thing, which is really good. But other than that, I don't think that Nobu's that good. This was $80, by the way. Just thought I'd mention that.
This sucks. Do not order Nobu.
You're not paying for the food, you're paying for the vibe. And then when you're in there, you think it tastes better because like you're just in the restaurant, but in reality, it's not that good. Hey, so all of a sudden I'm at Andre and Brady's apartment, and so Kylie says that she eats In-N-Out, which I don't know if I
And
believe
we
it.
eat In-N-Out.
So
we literally had In-N-Out last night.
Really?
Yeah.
Stormy said she wanted her fries well done.
Yeah, no, Kylie said she wanted her fries well done.
Well done is the way to go. So I used to get my fries just like regular.
Oh my god, regular schmegular
I used
fries.
to get my fries regular schmegular. Then I saw one of my friends do like, oh, can I get my fries light well? So I got it light well, and it was like really good. And then I discovered that you can get them fucking like just well done. So I always get my fries well done.
They're just so much better. I hate In-N-Out fries if they're not like this. Like, that's why I never
No,
order
they're like,
them.
and I don't know why, but when they make them well done, they're just saltier also.
They taste so much better well done.
If you're wondering, Brady's also right there, but he has to fix himself a million times.
Wait, are you serious? That's what he's doing right now? Apparently, Kylie ate this every week when she was pregnant with Stormy. Honestly, when I first came to LA when I was younger and I tried In-N-Out because it was all the hype, I thought it wasn't even that good, and I still stand by that to this day. It's just simple. It's like good because it's simple.
Simply amazing.
But like, I like Shake Shack better.
I like Shake Shack a lot, but I think In-N-Out's better.
This is the second last meal of the day.
What's the last one?
An apple. You know what this bitch made me drink today? Bone broth. I was literally just drinking chicken bone broth. You know what's really good for you though? It has 0 grams of fat.
I know it's good for you, but
And 9 grams of protein. It just tastes like water. If you just like drink it with a straw and you don't smell it, it tastes like straight water. Stormy!
Can I be Stormy?
Where's your little baby? You know? What's its name?
Oh my god, Kiwi.
Yeah, where's Kiwi? Arise and shine.
Rise and shine.
Stormy! 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 Ah. Travis, take the fucking kid. ASMR, ready?
These fries are actually really good.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.